of the Holy Quran and the Hadith, of course, those authentic Hadith, and of course, definitely, it is also necessary to learn more about the literature given to us by the Prophet Muhammad by reading his books. There are quite a number of books which have now been translated into English. If not Norwegian, at least you can read those books which have been translated in English. And this is how you can refresh your knowledge and even better your knowledge about Islam and Ahmadiyya, and then spread that message. And this is how you will be the helper for the Khalifa and for the Jamaat and for the Prophet ﷺ, and ultimately for the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and of course we shall be rightly guided people who Allah Ta'ala needed from the best of the creation, that is human being. When you are doing all these things, you will have good relation with the Khilafat.
حضور جماعت احمدیہ کی مخالفت میں پاکستان، ہندوستان اور الجزائر کے بعد اب حال ہی میں برکینا فاسو میں 9 احمدیوں کو دہشت گردوں نے شہید کر دیا ہے۔ کیا یہ مخالفت جماعت کی ترقی کو دیکھ کر مزید ملکوں میں بھی پھیلنے کا امکان ہے؟ اور جماعت کو ان خطرات کی وجہ سے سیکورٹی کے کیسے انتظامات کرنے چاہیے؟
بات یہ ہے کہ جس طرح